advanced Python. This is core Python. In the last class Saturday, what I explained that input function, same story explained nothing yesterday. How input function is working, how we need to go to typecasting. After that, how to read multiple values in the single line from the keyboard. And after that, one function I explained. What is the function? Eval. What is the advantage of the eval function? Generally, if you want to take the input function, it is accepted data as the string format. We have to do the typecasting based on our requirement. Instead of that, if I'm using eval function, no need to convert. It is taken one string as an argument and it will be evaluated the result. As I'm given some examples for that eval function. After that, one more function explained what it is. Split function. How it is working split function? Split is accepted one string. In that string, wherever space is available there, it will be removed. It is converted to the multiple values. The return type of split function is, what is the return type? List. The values can be stored in the form of list. And just yesterday, 45 minutes, and I'm taking class, only explained about input function only. Who are missing the class? Today, I will upload the Google Classroom yesterday class link. Okay, just to go through that one. New concept today, I will explain what it is. Command line arguments. Sir, what is this command line arguments means? Name itself indicating we are passing arguments through the command prompt. That is nothing but a command line arguments. Means if you run the Python program, always we are using Python test.py. With this command, if I'm passing any values, these values are nothing but what it is? Command line arguments. Because previous input function is while execution of the program, runtime, dynamically I'm passing values, that is the input function. But here through command prompt I'm passing values. This type of values are nothing but a command line arguments. Generally, where it is stored these command line arguments. For example, go to the Java program. So in the Java directly, this is a class. Inside public static void main. Inside what it is? String args means args is one variable. The data type is string array. This is the string array. So if I declare string yes means it is accepted only one argument. If I declared string of yes means it is accepted array declaration. Multiple values, all values should be string data type only. In the Java, if you want to run the program, the command is java test.java 10, 20, 30, 40. Suppose command line arguments are available there. These command line arguments can be stored into where? In that it will be stored. That facility is there directly. They can provide it. The main responsibility of the args is whatever you are passing command line arguments, those can be stored into the args. The data type of args is string array. But the problem with Python is in Python, there is no main method, nothing. For example, test.py. Here, no main, nothing. Print. Hi. Save this. So where is our program? Go to the working directory, sir, D drive, current working directory, py test.py. Am I getting high or not? Printed. But in the Java, Main is the responsible to execute my program. Inside main args is one variable which is accepted command line arguments. The data type of args is a string array. But in our Python program, there is no main method, nothing. But who is responsible to receive these arguments, these 10, 20, 30, 40, these four variables, where it will store? Python, sorry, Java, it is there. Args is there. If it is a Java program, these four values can be stored into this variable. It is a string array. If you want to access args of 0, what is the value? 10. Args of 1, 20, 30, like that I can access. But in Python, where it will store, how to access these arguments. That is the concept. Sir, in the Python, if I'm provided this type of command line arguments, there is one variable is there. The variable name is, what is the variable name? argv, argv. The variable name is argv. This variable is available into one module. That module name is sys module. So first of all, what is a module? In upcoming classes, we have to discuss after all these data types and this, we have to discuss about one concept that is function. After function, module. After module, package. After package, library. Already somewhere else I am given just basic idea. What is a function? Function is nothing but a group of statements, make it as a one block. Such a type of block is nothing but what it is? One function. And multiple lines I can make it as a one place. It is responsible to perform a specific task that is called as a one function. For example, my function name is, I'm given as a f1. So this f1 is my function. Wherever I can record, I need to call. Fine. But what is a module? Collection of functions. Suppose I have f1, f2, and f3. Multiple functions are available there. These functions, if I can stored into one place, that is nothing but what it is, are module. So here in this line number 7, what is this sys? Sys is a module. Means in that module, there are so many functions, variables, classes are available there. That is the built-in module, sys is a. Package means collection of multiple modules is called as a package. Collection of packages are nothing but a library. So these are interrelated links are there. Function, module, packages, and after that libraries are there. Upcoming classes we will see. Present, what is the module means? Collection of functions, variables, and classes is nothing but a module. In this module, what is the argv? Variable. So in this argv, these total values will be stored. Sir, whenever any built-in module, one variable is there, if I want to access that, there is some keyword is there from, what is the module name? Sys import, what it is? Argv. Generally, this is a type of statements we will see at the time of module chapter. Do you know whenever you have to write the C program, first line, what you are written? Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. What it is, we have to add header files. Same if it go to the Java, import statements are there. Import java.io.lang, import java.packages. Those are packages. C called as a header files. Here we are calling as a modules. So here also we can use import statements, are no problem. Import, what is the module name? Sys. This import from both are keywords only. So what is the meaning of this one means? Babu, from the sys module, I'm importing one variable. For my current program, I'm using this argv variable. That is the meaning of that from import statement. Sorry, in argv, we are storing multiple values. Now my question is, what is the type of argv? Because here args type is, why is not clear? The args type is directly they mentioned what it is, string. By seeing that I can identify it is a string array, but Python supported dynamic data types. We are not declaring any data type. So I'm telling just in this argv is a one variable, it is available to the sys module. Now my question is, what is the type? We need to ask to the Python. Python will tell what is the type. So come to here from, sir, what is the module name? What is the variable? Argv. You don't know type, you can ask print type of argv. Done. Then Python will tell what is the type of that argv. What is the type? List. Ante whatever values you are provided from the keyboard, the values can be stored in the form of list lo store అవుతాయి. Ante these all four values can be stored in the form of the list. What is the variable name? Argv. For example, if I can ask argv of 0, what is the output? 10. Because what is the first argument? 10, 0 na. 10. Second one, 20. So the argument is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now check this. Type already we know. I want to print argv of 0. Now I am passing 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the output we are getting? 10, 100 bit. What is the output we are getting? Everybody getting that. Generally it is the list. 4 arguments are there. Everyone thinking that 10 only. But first argument is not always 10, sir. First argument is always ever file name. File name it will be stored, not the 10. Now check this execute. You will get it. What it is? Test.py. The 400. So first arguments are always file name only because we are passing only 3 only, but Python will be considered from here to here. So total how many arguments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am passing 4. Python will be considered as a 5. First argument always should be your file name, not test.py. My file name is test.py. Maybe your file name different. So first argument always file name. Next values. Where is the proof? See this program. For example, here, remove this. I want to print the number of command line arguments. How to identify? And as how many I am passing from the command prompt, I want to identify how many arguments are there in argv. Simple. For example, go to the Python shell. A list is there 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many arguments are there? 5. How to check that? Can I ask length? Length of L. Then am I getting values or not? Same. Here also, what can I ask? Length of. Can I ask argv or not? So automatically it will be displayed. How many values are there in argv? Save this. Come to this. Exit from Python shell. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am passing 4, but it will display 5. How many are there? 5 are there. Because first one file name, next 10, 20, 30, 40. Fine. Now I want to display that list. Print the list of command line arguments. How to display? Can I display argv? Yes. If I want one by one, means for loop command line arguments 1 by 1. Oh. Take for loop for I in where argv print of I print this run this. And first one always what it is? Test.py sir. This is the proof. 5 command line arguments are there. This is the list, square brackets. Instead, all arguments are available there. One by one, I'm accessing first file name, next 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the story of argv. So in Java, the command arguments can be stored to the args. It is a string array, but in Python, the command arguments will be stored into argv. The return type of argv is the list. This argv is available one module. That module is sys module. That is the story of command line arguments. Make heading command line arguments. The arguments which are which are passing at the time of execution are called as command line arguments. The arguments which are passing at the time of execution. So this is the example from the command prompt. Whatever I am passing, those are called as command line arguments. Within the Python program, these command line arguments are available in argv, which is present in sys module. Within the Python program, the command line arguments are available in argv, which is present in sys module. Argv of 0 represents name of the program, but not the first command line argument. RV of 0 always represented your programming name, not the command line argument. Argv of 1 represents first command line argument. How to check the type of argv from the sys module? Why? After 10:20, any durmuhurtam is there? చిన్న ఆన్సర్. తర్వాత నేను ఉండను సార్ అంట. వెరీ గుడ్. From sys import argv, print type of argv. Then it will display the type. The argv type is list. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఉండొచ్చుగా, వెళ్ళిపోవడం ఎందుకు? Next example. Write a program to display command line arguments. Write a program to display the command line arguments, means how many we are passing. Program is this is the program. Completed. మరి రాయండి, ముచ్చట్లు పెట్టారు. Fixed name, built-in variable, that is don't change. Not possible, because this is the available module inside argv. Suppose if it is my program, x, y, z, anything we can take. This is the fixed module name, inside argv is the fixed variable. You can't change. If you want to give, you can give aliasing names. That variable not possible. Means aliasing means that is I can explain at the time of modules. As a, then a is the aliasing name. You can use a. That is possible. Argv not possible to change. Aliasing name is a. But actually this aliasing we can discuss at the time of modules. Wow. Mamo. Thank you so much, సాయి దుర్గా. ఎల్లవేళలా మిమ్మల్ని మీ కుటుంబాన్ని సాయిబాబా కాపాడవలసిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నా. ఓకే. ఇవాళ ఎవరు ట్యూస్డే కదా. వేర్ ఆర్ యూ ఫ్రమ్? హియర్ ఓన్లీ ఆర్ ఎనీ సాయి దుర్గా? డైరెక్ట్ లిస్ట్ వాడచ్చు కదా సార్, బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ట్రా యూజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సార్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద లిస్ట్, వంశీకృష్ణ? దట్ ఆర్గ్యూ is the built-in variable inside the values are stored. Currently, I am in Hyderabad, sir. I am from Rajahmundry. Very good. Vamsi Krishna, what is your doubt? Direct list వాడచ్చు కదా సార్, but what is? Now this one return type is list only. It is printed na list. This one. If I want to display one by one, just I am displaying it. By default, it is stored in the form of list itself only. Sir, now my requirement is here, sir. Remove all these. I want to sum print argv of 1 plus argv of 2, because argv of 0 file name. Sum is not possible. That's why I'm provided argv of 1 plus argv of 2. Now I'm passing just to two values only, or any values you can wish, that is your wish. 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the output we will get? I am asking argv of 1 plus argv of 2. Argv of 1 and the 10, argv of 2, 10 plus 20. Very good. Sir, two options are there. 1020 or 30? 1020 na. Yeah, I'm passing input function. కాదు కదా, మరి 10 plus 20 ఎంత? 30. 30 1020 నా? 30, 1020, 30. 30. అదే డౌట్, అది ఇంటీజర్ అయితే 30, స్ట్రింగ్ అయితే 1020, అందరికీ తెలిసిందే. మరి అక్కడ ఇది టేకెన్ ఇంటీజరా స్ట్రింగ్? అదే డౌట్, బిగ్గర్ డౌట్. పైథాన్ అడగాల. సార్, సి previous program output you can check, you will get clarity enough. No need to ask anyone. అవుట్పుట్ చెక్ చేయండి జాగ్రత్త. ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అవుట్పుట్ పైథాన్ మా నాన్న మీ నాన్న అడగవసలు. సీ దట్ అవుట్పుట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ హియర్? ఎనీవన్ టెల్? ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి స్ట్రింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? స్ట్రింగ్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్? 1020 only, not 10. Check it, because here it is displaying directly within the list. Everything will be single quotes, means list. So 1020 is the final output, not 30. So if you want to go to this one, you can go with what to do? Int or eval. That is your wish. Int. Save. Run. 30 came. That's why by default it is available. Which format, sir? String format. How? 1020, sir. Vaishnavi Sri Lasya. Within the check it now. I am given explanation. Okay. Within the Python program, the command line arguments are available in the string form. That's why I'm getting 1020. See the previous output in the list. Every argument will contain with single quotes. Then what it is? Strings. If I'm using plus with the two symbols, means compulsory what is the output? 1 0 2 0. That's why I'm converted to integer. I'm getting as a 30. Based on our requirement, we can convert into corresponding type by using typecasting methods. This is the example. Eval also it will work. The next is sum of the command line arguments. Ante whatever arguments I'm passing, all sum I can require. Runtime, any number I can pass. For example, if I run the first time command py test.py, I'm not passing anything, my wish. Sum will become 0. If I'm passing one value, that is my wish, py test.py 10. What is the sum? 10 now. If I pass py test.py 10 20 30 py test.py 10 20 30 py test.py 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80. My wish, any number we need to pass. So how many I'm passing, I don't know, but you have to write the program. First time I'm not passing anything, 0. Second time 10, next time 30, next time 60, next time the total sum I can require. How to write it? Because execution time, my wish, if I want to pass, I can pass, otherwise I don't pass. But my requirement is how to add these all command line arguments. Here, how many I'm passing, I don't know. That one I can require. Okay, done. Now, go to the test.py. Now check it carefully. First take one variable, that variable anything I'm given as a sum not dumb, okay? So what is the variable? Sum equal to 0, because in the first case I'm not passing anything. So what is the default sum value? 0 only. First print that one. Print the sum is Japan. Because of the problem is I studied in Japan, that's why. What is the variable, sir? Sum. Now check this. 1 minute. ఇదేంటికి ఇక్కడ అడ్డంగా No. Sir, first time, sir, I'm not passing anything. So that's why what is the output I will get? Sum 0. Adhe print chese kabatti it will be printed. The sum is 0. First requirement satisfied. Second time, I'm passing as a 10. Then what to do? You can read the 10, add to 0. 0 plus 10. 10. Next 10, 20. Add 0 plus 10 plus 20 every time. These arguments can be stored into which variable? Argv. Okay, fine. Aithe how many I am passing, I don't know. Take the last case. Here, how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 are there. Maybe I'm passing 10, maybe 20, maybe 30. How many I'm passing? I don't know. How to read all values? We take, okay. What is the meaning of this one? Argv of 1 colon. What is the meaning? Slice operator. It starts from until last. So every case is satisfied, not satisfied. First case only one is there. Okay. Second case two, three, four, five. It started one. Ending I don't know until the last. So simple can I use argv of one? Thus now take this one. Argv of 1 colon. Stored into variable. Multiple values kabatti. What is the variable? Arg. So these variables ever wish. Sum instead of sum can I give x? Instead of this can I give y? Yes, your wish. But this argv is the fixed. Equal to left side, your wish. Any variables you can use it, no problem. Understandable meanings I am given as a arguments and sum. Okay, fine. In arcs, there are some values are there. How many values are there? 2 na, 3 na, 5 na, 8 na, 10 na? I don't know. That's what I'm using. For x in where? Arcs. Ante first time 10 is coming to the x. Second case 10, 20. Next 10, 20, 30. Every value it is coming to the x. What is our sum? 0 kada. So can I go sum plus equal to? What is the meaning? Sorry, your understand purpose I'm not using. Sum equal to sum plus. After that I can use plus equal to symbol. This one previous both are same only. Okay. Sum. If you go with x, what is the type of x? String. Sum is 0. Integer plus string valid. Python will give left and right. So what to do? Compulsory can use typecasting or not? That's why this program I'm explaining now. This one. Why I'm using typecasting? Because string. My sum is 0. The sum type is a integer. The type of x is string. Integer plus string invalid in Python. That's why I converted to what I doing? Integer. Converted. Now finally print the sum. Now check this. First, I'm not passing anything 0. I'm passing 10. I'm passing 20. I'm passing 30. I'm passing 40. I'm passing 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. So that is the way how to add all the command arguments. Instead of this one, plus equal to. Is it okay? Both are same. Sum plus equal to int of x. Now check this. Okay. That is the way of how to adding all the command line arguments. Take this one. Completed. Yes, argv is only variable which can be stored our command line arguments. This is the fixed variable. Whatever values I am passing from the command prompt, these all values can be stored into the argv. This is one fixed variable available to this module. First I'm taking sum equal to 0. What is the meaning of this one? argv of 1 means 0 is the file name. 1 means it is started from here. 1 colon means how many values are there in list, I don't know. That's why from first position to until the last, I am reading stored into variable. What it is? Args. Now, for x in args is nothing but first time. What is the x value? 10. 10 is coming and added to the sum. What is the sum value? 0. 0 plus 10. Next time for value, this for loop how many times executed means in the list how many values are there, those many times. If one value is there, one time. Three values are there, three times. Five are there, five times. So first time 10. Second time it is coming to the 20. Third time 30. Fourth time. So every time sum is updated there. After for loop, finally what is the value are there? Sum I printed. Sir, here, have you observed every command line argument I am given, middle one space is there? Yes or no? Space ante, every space it is taking one argument. Can you explain once again? Sir, every command line argument, what is available there? One space is there. For example, by suppose my command line argument having the space, then it is taken as a two parts. I want to store it as a one place only, one index. Ante example from sys import argv print argv of 1. Ante. I'm not doing. Now, if I print like this, what is the output? 10. Because I'm passing three values 10, 20, 30. First file name, next to 10, 20, 30, fine. My requirement is my command line arguments by default contain one space. Sunny Leon is the total one name or two names? One name only. But Python will be treated what it is? argv of 0 loనేమో test.py, argv of 1 loనేమో Sunny, argv of 2 loనేమో Leon is coming. My requirement is whenever I'm asking argv of 1, I want to store Sunny Leone total value. If not given space, okay, valid. But Sunny Leone middle one space I can require. For example, see, I'm not given space. Then am I getting Sunny Leone or not? Yes, but no, my requirement is by default one space is available there. I want to store this total Sunny Leon into one argument argv of 1. How to give? Can I give like this total value into single code? Yes or no? Then I'm given this one means total value can be stored into one argument, not string. By default, the string only. Now, what is the output I'm getting? Check it carefully. Am I getting total one value or colons and if I'm given arg2, then what it is come? Leone with colon. Check it carefully. Yes sir, no. Ante ikkada em jarugundante observe carefully. This is fixed argv of 0. This is argv of 1. This is argv of 2. And wherever spaces are there, it is divided. Total Sunny Leon not taken one value. That's why argv of 1 colon Sunny, argv of 2 Leone colon will come. argv of 0 file name always. But I want to store total Sunny Leon into one argument for that requirement. I can go with what to do? You can use double colon? Then how it is coming? Double colon with Sunny will come. Now check it what it is coming. Am I getting total string into one value or not? Yes, ante this total will be stored into one index position. Make a note. Only that value only, first value only. Total value will be stored into one index position. Usually, space is a separator between command line arguments. If our command line arguments itself contains space, then we should enclose within double quotes. Not in single quotes. From sys import argv print argv of one. Example, at the time of runtime, you can pass arguments like double quotes. So that is about input streams, how to read the data. Dynamic input, command line arguments. So daily go to the lab and practice it. Anyone going to lab? Don't go. Don't practice. If you practice, subject will come. Immediately you'll get job. Not required, na? Sir, in input. ఇంకెక్కడ లైన్ నెంబర్ 36. సరే చెప్పు 30. దిస్ x is this one. అర్థం అలా. రిపీట్ ఇటరబుల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ is x. Sum is individual object. Sum equal to 0. Individual object is there. Every time x is value changing and it is adding to the sum. అయిందా? Sir, next one is output stream, sir. Input stream means I'm accepting data from the end user. Output stream means I want to display some result to the caller end user. For that, only one statement is there, print. But there are different formats are there. based on user requirement. Suppose one person is asking different style, another person is asking different output is same only. Different styles I can require. Then we can go to this output streams. Then we can use only print statement. First format. Sir, for example, చూడండి ఇక్కడ within the print I am given something. If I am given hi, hi will be printed there. If I print hi, hi will be printed. So whatever I am printed here, that will be printed there. If I am not given anything, then nothing. Check it. What is happened? I am printed these many prints. Now I executed. Any difference is there? One line. One line will be only. How many prints are there? This much gap is coming to comment from this one and this one or not? Now check it. Remove all these. Now run this. Only one line is there. And suppose 10 records are there. Every record ki one line I want to maintain gap. Then print with empty. Then it printed one empty line for otherwise the first record, second record, third record, fourth record, one by one coming. Some formatting purpose I can maintain some gap. Then I can go to this first one, print without argument. Just it prints new line character. Second one, print with string. Print with string. Then for example, చూడండి ఇదిగోండి ఇది print, okay? Inside I want to give hello world. Just it will be printed hello world. Same string, copy, paste. I want to give it /n. Copy /t. What is the difference? /n means next line, it will goes to the second line. /t means some space, tab space is coming there. Then first as it is, next to two lines, next one tab space. Print *5. Print 5 star. Now hello will be printed 5 times will be printed there. Now what is the difference between line number 6 and 7? Plus key, comma key difference. Plus means concatenation, you know, both are strings only. Comma means two values will be given with one space. Middle one space is coming. That is the difference between that comma. See, in our programs also, every time I'm using it one day. Why I'm using comma? String, one space, result. ఇంకెక్కడ వాడామా ఇదిగోండి కామా కామా అంటే that string one space, after that my result will be printed there. That is the second format. Third one. Print with variable number of arguments. So now see this. Variable number of arguments means multiple values we have to provided. Output for line number 66. Hello will be printed 5 times. Repetition operator. See this output. Hello, hello, hello will be printed 5 times. Ante string star 5 or integer star string, both are same. That string will be repeated those many times. That is the meaning of star. So now A comma B comma C equal to 10. What is the value of A? B, C, A10, B10, C. Can I print the values? The values are A comma B comma C. So what is the value of A, B, C? 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20. 10, 10, 10 only. Check it, it is invalid syntax. Because left side, how many variables are there? Right side, how many values are there? Only one, invalid. So you have to go with 10, comma 20, comma 30. Now, A value 10, B value 20, C value 30. Okay, fine. Perfect. Sir, now my requirement is, observe carefully. Yeah. If you print A comma B comma C, what is the output I'm getting? 10, 20, 30. Okay. My required output, one space is coming there. Instead of that, some person is asking, sir, I want to display the output is like this, 10 colon 20 colon 30. Or else he is asking 10 comma 20 comma 30. Like that I can require how to display. Split. Split function can be applicable in string only. ఇక్కడ అసలు any string is there? No. Integers ఇవన్నీ. 1 minute, 1 minute. A colon B colon C. Is it okay? Comma also. Comma, 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 comma. Okay? Malino. So remove. Ayyo. Now okay? కామా ఉండాల్సిందే. సరే ఏం చేయాలి ఇంతకీ? పారాన్సిస్ ఎక్కడ? సరే చెక్ దిస్. ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ కామా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్? చెక్ ఇట్. ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ అవుట్పుట్, బట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్ దేర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్? ఇక్కడ స్పేస్ స్పేస్, నేను ఏమడిగా 10:20:30, కానీ ఇక్కడ స్పేస్ 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 స్పేస్. ఆ స్పేసెస్ ఉండకూడదు నాకు. కామా తీసేయండి అంతే. భలే చెప్పారే సింపుల్ గా. పెట్టమంది మీరే, మళ్ళీ తీసేయమనేది మీరే. నౌ ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? పైథాన్ విల్ గివ్ లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ రైట్. కామా ఉండాలి కంపల్సరీ. కామా పెడితే స్పేస్ వస్తుంది. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ స్పేస్ మరి. ఫర్ దట్ సార్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఈజ్ here there is a, don't give all these things. First of all, see this. A comma, sorry, comma, comma, B comma, C. Space is coming. There is one attribute is there, separator. Ante each value you can separate with colon. Can you read my message? ఏం పెట్టాడినా? అక్కడ పెట్టాడండి పర్సనల్ గా. ఏం రాలేదు కదా. కెన్ యూ రీడ్ మై మెసేజ్? రీడెడ్. ఓకే, రీడ్ చేశాగా. సార్ చూడండి, A comma B comma C will be separated with colon. Okay. Now you can check it, the output of it is coming. Am I getting? Yes. If you want comma, then you can go with comma, hyphen, any symbol. That is the meaning. The values can be separated. SCP is an attribute that is the meant for separator. How to separate your values? You have to mention. Take this one. By default, output values are separated by space. If we want, we can specify separator by using SAP attribute. Example, this one. That is the third one. By default, spaces will come. If don't want spaces, then you can use SCP. Uh-huh. Where? Invalid syntax. So now I have to print Hello, I have to print. Naresh, I want to print IT. So what is the output I will get? Three lines Naresh IT will be printed there. But my requirement is three print statements only available. Single line output I can required. Ante hello Naresh IT. Don't tell you single print statement. Three print statements only, but single line output I can required. Hmm. ఏయ్, నువ్వు గుడికి పోలేదా ఇంకా? Slash n means it is coming next line. My requirement is multiple lines into the single line, sir. For that requirement, see here, you can go with end equal to end attribute is there, end equal to some space. Then each line will be coming with the space. Hello, space, nourish, space. అదే నేను స్పేస్ ఇవ్వలేదు అనుకోండి, then what will happen? Without space, hello నరేష్ అంటే will come. అక్కడ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఎవర్ గివెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ప్రింటెడ్. అది స్పేస్ ఆ సింబల్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఐ వాంట్ స్పేస్, దట్స్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ యాజ్ ఏ స్పేస్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ hello నరేష్ ఐటీ విల్ కమ్. Form 4 end attribute. Fifth one, ఏమిటం బాధ? Print with any object. Object means anything. That is maybe list, maybe tuple, set to any object you need to pass. We can pass any object like list, tuple, set as a argument to the print statement. Here it is simple only, just to take one list 10, 20, 30. Or else you can take one tuple 10, 20, 30. You can print that list, print that t. Sixth one, print with string comma variable list. For example, I have to take multiple variables s equal to one string, one variable, after that one more string, after that one more string. Here totally four variables are there. Name, S, A, S1 and S2. Print inside, first I want to go with the string hello, comma, S. Printed there. Next, comma, A. Print. Next, you are teaching, comma, S1, comma, and, comma, what it is? S2. String variable, string variable, string variable will be printed there. Now check this. Output came. ఏమైంది? ఎక్కడ? No? Fine. That is called as string with variables. Then completed. Output. This is the output. I will copy paste it. Sir, now print. Inside you have to give formatted strings. What is a formatted string? In C language, it is there. Integer meant for percentage D, float meant for percentage F, S meant for percentage S string. And I want to display some output to the end user. Scan of percentage D, scan of percentage S, percentage of C language syntaxes. If you want to represent integer value, percentage D or I also, both are. Percentage D meant for integer. And if you want to represent float value, percentage F. String aithe percentage S. These are called as formatted strings. From C, they are taken all these. But అదే లిస్ట్ టుపుల్ సెట్ అయితే లిస్ట్ కి పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎల్, టుపుల్ కి పర్సెంటేజ్ టీ. Collection objects you can represent it with percentage S only. See this example. Just previously I'm given A comma B comma C equal 10 comma 20 comma 30. Print A value is Integer కాబట్టి what I want to give? How to replace this one? Percentage A. The A value will be replaced in the place of percentage D. Okay, that is called as formatted strings. So, comma gamma don't give. This percentage A will be replaced in the place of this one. Now, I want to print BC values. Everybody, B value is, can you give percentage D? And C value is, can you give percentage D? How to replace? Percentage of B comma C. Bus. BC values will be replaced. P value in the place of, ikkada it will replace. C value will be replaced in place of this position. This type of strings are called as formatted strings. It is completely taken from C language. C syntaxes, these are all. The next, I have to take one string and one list. S equal to string. A list of values are there 10, 20, 30, 40. I want to display both. Print hello. String means percentage. Yes. The list of values are, how to do percentage? Yes, only. There is no alternative. Percentage of S comma L. Now, hello, my this list of values are there. The collection object also, we can go with S only. That is formatted strings. Last one, eighth format. This is the last one. Inside print, we can go with replacement operator. It will replace the values. What is the replacement operator? Curling brace, open, close curling brace within the print statement, then it is a replacement operator. If I'm given normal, it is a dictionary. But compulsory that one you can use into within the print, single quote, double quote, your wish. In the string, you can give that, then it is a replacement operator. Where? Error. Don't give comma error, syntax error. Sir, output of line number 129. This is the output. Sir, shown the last example. I have to give you a name. Name equal to Mahesh. I have to give salary. Salary equal to. I have to give girlfriend. Girlfriend equal to. Yeah, Sunny, Leone. Very good. Three variables are there: name, salary, and girlfriend. Print with inside what I am given is hello replacement. Okay, and that value will be replaced. One value I can replace there. Hello. Okay, your salary. Again, replacement. And your girlfriend replacement is waiting outside. So your three replacements are there. Every replacement I have to change. First replacement lo name, second replacement lo sal, third replacement lo GF. So come outside. What is the function? Format. First replacement name, second replacement is sal, third replacement GF. Katam. So what is the value of the name? Mahesh. So this name will be replaced into this position. Salary will be replaced into this position. Girlfriend will be replaced to the this position. Now check this output. Hello Mahesh, your salary is 10,000 and your girlfriend Sunny Leon is waiting. So we will wind up the session. Now, sir, observe carefully. Same thing. You have to give indexes also. Ante by default this is 0, 1. Because the reason is format is a parenthesis means what it is? Just like tuple up to your knowledge. Ante within tuple indexes there, not there. Yes. What is this index position? 0. Index 0. This index 2. Other replacements I'm given 0, 1, 2. Same output we will get. Check it. Anything you can write it to.